What's up, YouTube? Welcome back. It's Exotic with you again. We are in the garden. Excuse me. I just took a dab. I've got an exciting update in that box, and obviously, I guess by the title and some of the other announcements on Instagram, you guys know that box is a new light, and the channel now has a new sponsor. So, I'm beyond excited. Mars Hydro reached out and offered a chance to review and check out their light and grow tent. So just to clear things up right now, that is not the Mars tent, so don't confuse it. This one is coming down. Cannot wait for the new one to show up, and we can show how much nicer it is than that old piece of junk. But the Mars TS, excuse me, the Mars TS 3000 LED. So 450 watts of goodness. We'll pop the box open now, and for a split second I'll throw some specs on the screen for you guys to look at. Briefly, you'll have to pause it. I'm excited. I have not pulled this out of the box. I cut it open, I looked at it, I took a picture for Instagram. So for the next 6 months I will be working with Mars Hydro, and you guys will be seeing all of my grows, my progress, and my thoughts on this light. We'll even compare it to the old Grower's Choice 630 up there, and show how much better that it does, because both myself and the manufacturer, Mars Hydro, we agree that this light is should be a good bit better than what I have, and it's going to produce a lot less heat. It's about 150 watts, excuse me, 180 yeah, 180 watts less. This pulls like 450 watts at the wall. My 630s, I guess obviously they pull 630, so it's interesting. I'm not sure what that's for. Power cord, nice and thick. You'll note we don't play with thin power cords around here anymore after I had a grow light catch on fire. If you haven't seen that, click up above and check that video out. That was that was a fun day. Here's your ratchet hangers. This is made in China. It does say it right on the box, but this is how it comes. You guys can see it's kind of thin, but fairly well packaged. This is really nice reinforced, really nice reinforced cardboard. And then foam fitted packing fits in here really nice. You have your sheet on how to dim the unit, and I'm going to take full advantage of that because I have some seedlings going right now, and we'll talk about that as well, since this is going to be the Back to the Basics series. We're going to get, let's see, this is our HLG driver. They are using some good stuff here. That's awesome. So this is mostly all put together. You need to mount your drivers on top, and it's got the user manual. So some other bits over there. So I'm gonna go through and kind of check this out. Warranty and all this sort of stuff. Let's see. Oh, perfect. Tech specs. Come on. Focus. Here, let's do this. Wow. Okay. Hopefully y'all can read this. So, model TS600, TS1000, TSL, TSW, TS3000, which is what I have. We're covering a 5x5 as far as a footprint for veg. 450 watts, minus 5%. It's good at 244 volts, 110. Here's your different amperages. So 3.7 at 120, and all the way down to 1.6 at 277, and just a flat 2.0. That's pretty good. That is really good. Dimensions. Yeah, there you go. Millimeters. It's it's not really that big. It's not bad. Not at all. So this goes over how to hang it, how to install your drivers, everything to get you up and going, how to set your dimmer up. So I'm going to read through this. I'm going to pull it out of the box and get my drivers mounted and everything like that real quick. And yeah, I'll show you guys what we got. Okay. Just kind of playing with this a little bit. I want to show you guys where I'm at. This is literally like 30 seconds to a minute later. These little standoffs, or screws, they come pre-installed. So this is kind of really nice if I don't fling it everywhere first. So we'll pull these off. Now you're given enough cord, if you kind of look at this and my hairy leg here, you can remote mount it. They do give you, I think, 6 feet of cord. Now I intend on putting this in the tent when it gets here, but for all intents and purposes, I'm going to hang it in that spot and test it, because, well, I'm impatient and I'm excited. I want to see this, and I mean, come on, who wouldn't? So we have pretty nice wiring, to be honest. It's all, sealed up. It looks decent. It doesn't, look poor or anything like that. Decent quality. This is plasticky, but it's a dimmer. It doesn't need to be anything special. So this has 2 on-offs. I'm guessing for each side of the light, which is also what I'm guessing the 1 and 2 is for. And then you've got your dim, full control. So we'll see how well that works. I've heard potential, like some other lights hum. I don't think that's the case. And then got this little guy. So overall, this looks really nice. Really nice package. This light retails for $499.99, and down in the description there is a link to the light and the tent. And if you're interested in trying Mars Hydro stuff, use the code O2G. I'll put it right here, O2G at checkout, and it'll get you 3% off anything on Mars Hydro's site. So do me a favor, go check them out on Instagram. Everything else, give them a shout out. Say thank you for sponsoring Oxygen. Oh my goodness, thank you for sponsoring Oxygen Genetics, because this is a huge opportunity for me, and I greatly appreciate it. I never thought this would happen. It's too cool. It's really too cool. I'm very humbled. Thank you. Thank you. So I'm gonna set the camera down again. As you can see, this mounts over here. You just kind of fit it around. Yeah, just like that. I'll shoot. We'll throw a standoff on it while we're just sitting here. I may or may not regret this. We'll see how difficult this is going to be to twist all of this around, because this comes out to the power cord. Yeah. So 2 of these little plugs. Wonder where that goes. I don't know yet. I'm gonna figure it out though. Can't be that hard. It's what you get when you haven't fully looked through the instructions yet, other than just, attach this here so far. And that's so far where I'm at. Attaching. Pretty sure it is supposed to go this way because it's got the cutout for the cord. So that kind of makes a little bit of sense. We'll take the first driver. We're going to kind of turn these as a pair. This is fun. Okay. Fat hands for the win. Now we can... This is, much easier for you guys when you do it, I am sure, because, I'm half blind watching me trying to watch myself do this through my phone. This is where a stand or something would be super, super nice. Tripod. Oh yeah, you guys are just staring at my arm. Cool. Sorry. Captain of the struggle bus tonight. And, I mean, I did just do a dab. Still, no excuse. Alright, well, 5 years later, once I get this on one-handed, it's really not difficult if you sit up and look at what you're doing. But doing it one-handed, see, there we go. Easy peasy. I'm literally looking at it through my phone, though, and for somebody that's partially blind, it makes it very, hopefully, a little more entertaining for you guys, because this is kind of funny. I'm ready to do another dab. I don't know about you guys. I got some Sherb Gelato. Yeah, that's what it was. Sherb Gelato. Some THCA crystals. Pretty good stuff. Gets me very lit. We'll say that. It's very nice, very enjoyable. I can't wait to. Oh yeah, I think I've mentioned it. It's in the title. We're doing 9-pound hammer from Jinx Proof as the starter. So, oh, we're running out of time. Uh-oh. Be right back. Okay, now that my phone is done overheating for the moment, I'm going to show you guys. The plugs go into the side of the light after you pick it up and pull it out of the packaging. Ballasts are mounted. Power cord runs out the back. And then the one side of the hanger right here, come right down here, and it just snaps on. And then right here on the other side, the matching hanger that it comes with. Alright, fun day for electronics, I guess. As I was saying, comes with 2 ratchet hangers. Pretty nice ones, actually. Pretty much like exactly what I have. I don't need these right now, so I'm not going to be using them. You can actually already see I have mine hanging up there, so I'm gonna throw the other, not literally throw it, but I'm gonna snap this guy on real quick, and we're gonna hang this light up and turn it on and see how it looks. Okay, we have the light up, and this little guy, RJ45, it is included, and I want to touch on this too. This is a nice piece of wood that is included in the packaging to protect the light. But that RJ45 goes to, oh, there goes the flash. Rip. Well, it goes to the ports right here on the lights, and you can daisy chain up to 3 of them. So, the only complaint I have, I'm not a fan of it being all on this side, how you can't plug the port in. So, I have to flip the ballasts around, which, I mean, I have a ton of cords, so that's, I guess, fine. I'm just being nitpicky. So, lights turned all the way down. Let's turn it on for the first time. Oh yeah. Okay. So, this is their sun-like spectrum. It is the new light. It's a new style LED. I'll post what kind of LED it is. A little picture from their website talks about some of that, but this is pretty awesome. It's got a mix, actually, a nice mix of some reds and white and yellow and stuff like that. It's definitely a full spectrum. So let's hold you guys. Let's see. Let's hold you down here. We're just gonna bump the light instead. We're slowly gonna turn this thing up. Wow, look how much bright. It doesn't really show it on camera. Not all that well. Wow. Okay, I didn't even really turn that up that much. That's a lot brighter already. Wow. The camera dims it a good bit. Let's see if I can reach. Let's see. Holy cow. Let's go full brightness. Wow. That's bright. That is really bright. So canopy height, I'm at 30 inches right now. I'm accounting a couple inches for the pot, so I'm expected to be right at like 24 inches. Definitely not going to go full brightness right from the get-go because that is savage. That's awesome. So I'm excited too. I'll have another one of these lights at my disposal. Okay, maybe I didn't explain this either. This is the on-off for the dimmer. So if I turn this off, full brightness, turn it back on, dim it down. So that might give you a little idea how much brighter it is. Really cool. No noise, nothing. The cord's plenty long. They're nice and quality. They're sturdy. So I'm not worried about an electrical fire or nothing like that. I'm curious to see how warm it runs, but that is so awesome. I'm really, really excited. I'm even more excited. I'm gonna do a dab here in a second. I hope you guys join me. But yeah, that is the install, unboxing, brief overview of a Mars TS 3000 LED. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. Again, the code O2G on Mars Hydro site at checkout will get you 3% off your order. So save you some money on shipping and what have you. So any little bit helps. Again, a huge thanks to Mars Hydro for sponsoring the channel and sending us this light and a tent in the future. And for sure, guys, when we put this thing in the tent with the reflective mylar and everything else instead of the panda film design that I have here, it's going to be even brighter, a little more impressive as well. So I have some seeds soaking. In the next vlog, for sure, we will show you guys planting them and getting them under this light for the first time. For sure, we're going to dim it, probably all the way down, and we'll drop it down to probably like a 16-inch canopy height, maybe 12. I don't know. I definitely don't want to burn anything, and I have a lot of learning to do with this light. So stay tuned. They did include some stickers. It's pretty cool. I don't know if that's for every light or maybe I'm just special. So yeah, pretty simple. Really not a bad way to spend $500 if you're looking to get into a new LED light. Maybe you're a new grower. These will definitely produce some great results. Stay tuned and we'll prove it to you. So until the next vlog, thank you guys for tuning in, and we'll see you later. Yeah, like I said, a quick update. We transferred our seeds from the water to the paper bag or paper towel. So just a damp paper towel, Ziploc bag, a little bit of water on each side. And I should have showed you guys beforehand. I don't know, did it ahead of time. Sorry. But they all have little tails sprouting out. They've been soaking for about 36 hours, and they'll go in here. Then they're going to go back in the cabinet where they were for another day. We'll see how the roots look tomorrow, and if they're big enough, we'll throw them in soil. So there's that update for you.